Rent expense. A business compiling its financial statements for the year to 31 July each year pays rent quarterly in advance on 1 January, 1 April, 1 July, and 1 October each year. The annual rent was increased from $15,000 per year to $18,000 per year as from 1 October 20x5. What figure should appear for rent expense in the business's statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 31 July 20x6? Answer: August to September, 15,000 times 2 over 12, $2,500. October to July, 18,000 times 10 over 12, $15,000. Rental expense, $17,500.